Hi everybody, I'm Nisha DeGaring, standing with David. He is in charge of the Colonial Flag rotation program. David, what is that?
The rotation program is a program that works really well for both commercial and residential customers. We handle taking the flag down, rotating it, and keeping those flags looking as nice as possible.
That's what I was going to ask you. Why is it a good idea to rotate your flag?
The biggest problem that we run into with people who have flags is they don't know when to really pull it down. Most people that fly a flag, typically when they notice it's starting to fray, a lot of times it's too late. And that costs them a lot more money in replacements. So what the rotation program tries to do is take that kind of out of their hands and into our hands where we have it on a schedule.
So how often do you usually rotate?
Some of our customers are 30-day, but we do recommend no longer than 60-day.
David, tell me how the rotation program works.
It's pretty simple. When a customer comes in and expresses the desire to be on the rotation program, we typically have them purchase 2 flags. One gets stored here, the other we put up on the pole. And then we determine an appropriate rotation schedule, and then when it's time to do the rotation, we bring their flag that we store here out and swap it out.
David, what happens to the flags when they come in for rotation?
We do a quick evaluation on the flag to determine if it is repairable or not. If it is repairable, we do the repair, and then we have the flags go into a storage bin to await the next rotation.
We think about rotating our tires. This is the same thing.
Exactly the same thing. And the whole reason you rotate a tire is to keep it lasting longer. Same thing with the flags.
We should mention there are discounts here at Colonial Flag if you take part in the rotation program.
Yes, because the rotation program is not a guarantee that the flags will last forever. When the flag is retired and needs to be replaced, there's a 20% discount on new flags, as well as 20% on any flagpole parts that might be required to maintain that pole.
Well, and that's a good question. What do you do with the pole while you're rotating the flag?
We evaluate the pole when we're out there doing the rotation. If snap hooks need to be replaced or other hardware on the pole, we do it right there on the spot. And again, 20% discount on all those parts.
I can't tell you what a big job this is. When you walk through the warehouse here at Colonial Flag, just boxes on boxes with flags being stored that are part of the rotation process. Yes. You're busy. Do you even do this out of state?
We do. We obviously can't be out there in person, so we have our customers out of state and mail their flags in. We do the repair, the clean, and then mail them back.
David, is this a no-brainer if you want your flag to look its best?
Absolutely.
All right, this is America's flag store. You need to trust them. They know what they're doing. Colonial Flag. David, thank you.
You're welcome.